Welcome to the 2018 GMC Acadia SLT all-terrain. The Acadia is powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine and made it up to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior here: power windows, locks and mirrors, height adjustable trunk release, a leather-wrapped steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls. You have 30,456 kilometers on the odometer. At the time of this video, we have push-button ignition, nice large 8-inch touchscreen. We have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, as well as OnStar and navigation. Dual zone climate control with heated seats. Your automatic shifter knob, your all-wheel drive system as well. You can switch between front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive. All black dash and interior panels, Bose audio, and those beautiful caramel-colored brown all-terrain leather seating up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Acadia SLT all-terrain. We have the 20-inch wheel and tire package, Michelin all-season tires, color-matched door handles with keyless entry, all-terrain badging on the front door. Coming to the front of the Acadia, there is LED daytime running lamps and turn signals, fog lights, as well as the SLT color-matched grille. Making our way back down the side, you have blacked-out window trim, rear-tinted privacy windows. Coming to the back of the Acadia, dual chrome exhaust tips, trailer tow package, rear parking sensors, LED brake lights, and a backup camera, as well as your power adjustable trunk release. Jumping into the interior, second row is a bench, 60/40 split. Both end seats there are car seat ready as well. There is rear climate control, USB ports, and an outlet. Seats fold down nice and quick, getting out of the way, giving you access to your third row, a 50/50 split. This is the 7-passenger SLT Acadia. We have AC vents and dome lighting over top. Tons of legroom, tons of headroom in the 2018 Acadia. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the 2018 GMC Acadia SLT all-terrain. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.